O Great Spirit, guide me effortlessly through the path of life, over all of the obstacles along the way. Look at the water running effortlessly, smoothly, over huge obstacles in the earth. But it finds its course, creates its bed, makes its way to its source, the ocean, where it's then recycled into various precipitative forms and falls once again on the earth in a great cyclic karmic reenactment of precious water. Reminded of that poem by William Randolph Hearst that the Chronicle publishes every year in August on his birthday or the death of his anniversary, and it's that very sentiment, very eloquently stated. And so, Great Spirit, guide me through my journey in life.